I think I'm gonna put my rear bumper on for my S13 today. I haven't got to the first part yet. Fixing that grill, it's hangling and dangling up there. We don't have a better update on the FD yet. I'm still waiting for some things. But for the most part, soon, it's coming. Just wait on it. I'll put these fenders on. I got my rear oars right there. We're gonna go grab the rear bumper. This is my FD bumper, and I went with the KBD body kit. I think it is the best kit. I don't know what you want to call it, rep or whatever, but poly, that's nice. That's really nice. I'm never going to crack these bitches. Like, what? That's what Luke was talking about. That's some S13 side skirt seat. We got some KBD one, boys. Those are fitting real nice. You already know. This bumper. I'm gonna take it up there. Oh fuck. Yeah, I did let it sit out. We're gonna be putting on today. Well, I'm gonna be attempting to put that on today. Light work. You know, today's it's gonna be super easy. That's what I said about these fenders, but that didn't work out very well. Piece on. I just zip tied it for now on because I'm gonna take it off to get it painted or paint it myself. That just changed the whole car. I'm so happy. Oh fuck! I just gotta line these up, and then I'm just gonna drill 2 holes here. I'm in love. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your comments down below. What do you think? Next video, I'm probably gonna put the side skirt on, and so on. I have like a plan set up, trying to get this in this week. So hopefully, but yeah, until next time, peace.